Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is Go Back and End Protocol. Contents: ARQ definition, why we need GBN, sender window size, receive window size, data packets is lost, acknowledgement advantages. Automatic report request ARQ system which automatically request and retransact transmission of a message packets or a packets or errors are called as a ARQ system. There are three common schema are used: stop and wait, go back, and selective report. Definition: go back and ARQ is a specifies the intrinsic automata report request. ARQ protocol in which the sender process the con- continues to send the number of frames specified by Windows size. When without a re- receiving an acknowledgement ACK packets from a receiver. GBN practically approach and sliding window protocol. Why we need GBN? To improve the efficiency of a transmission, to send a more than one frame at a time, to reduce the wait time of a sender. Sender is a wait is a acknowledgement for the receiver. Sender sliding window. Sender can be transmit n frames from before a receiving SAK. Its window size has been n. Sender will maintain the copy sent packets in a sent before buffer until for the practical sent packets is acknowledged. Sender will resend the packets time runs out. Once data get acknowledged by receiver the practically data will be removed from the buffer. Receive sliding window. Size of the window is received set always in a one protocol. We can see in the diagram. Receive is always looking for the specified frame aware of the specified order. Any form of arriving out of the order decide needed resent. Receiver window sliding show in the figure. Receiver is waiting for the zero frame part. Receiver sliding window. Receiver send a positive ACK in a frame advance safe and order. The silence in a receive causes the timer of the acknowledged frame of expiry. Then the sender resend all the frames, beginning the with one of the expand timer. For example, up, suppose the sender send 6 frame but timer will 3 frames. Example, frame 3 has not been acknowledged. Then the sender goes back and send frames 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Those it called as a go back and receive does not have acknowledged each received. It can be sent frames. Sender window size. Sender windows size GBN n itself. N must value greater than 1. If n value equals, then stop wait protocol. Representation. Receive window size. Receive window size is always 1. Let's consider example GB4 is equal to greater than n is equal to sender window size. We can see in the figure. Normal operation. The data packets is lost. 43210. Sender, receiver, transmission, acknowledgement. There are two types of acknowledgement used in a GBN: communicative acknowledgement, independent acknowledgement. Compression, comparative acknowledgement, traffic is less, reliability is less. Independent acknowledgement, traffic is more, reliability is more. Graphically representation, complicated acknowledgement is shown in this figure. Sender acknowledgement, receiver 0 1. Independent acknowledgement 1 0. 0 1, ACK 0, ACK 1, receiver 0 1. Acknowledgement timer 3210 0123. Sender can send acknowledgement timer. Case 1, acknowledgement timer is too big. Advantage, more packets can be acknowledged at a time to receive. Side, a disadvantage, timeout timer runs out the sender sides. Case 2, acknowledgement timer is a too small. Disadvantages, acknowledgement will be sent receiver every packet. So acknowledgement timer should not be too small, too big, or a too big. It should be timer with a fixed size. Timeout, the greater acknowledgement timer. Advantages, sender can send us many frames at a time. Timer can be group of a frames. Only one ACK acknowledgement, one or more frames. Efficiency is more. Waiting time is pretty low. Points are remembered. Sender window size n and n value must greater than I. Receiver window size is always high. There are two types of acknowledgement: GBN, communicative acknowledgement, independent acknowledgement.